How to find the IMEI number on your Android device. This tutorial shows you the quickest ways to locate your IMEI number whenever you need it. First, the easiest way is to open the phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the keypad and dial *#06#, and your IMEI number will appear on the screen automatically without pressing call. From there, take note of it or screenshot it for future reference. Next up, if you want to find it through Settings instead, open the Settings app on your Android device. At this point, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Moving on, tap on Status Information and look for IMEI. Your IMEI number will be listed right there. Finally, keep in mind that your IMEI number is important for tracking or blocking your device if it ever gets lost or stolen, so it's a good idea to keep a copy of it somewhere safe. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.